Hey guys, welcome to Let's Cook and Do once again. And today we are going to experience something new. So today I am experimenting a new recipe which is called Dahi chicken. So many people have so many ways to make it, but also today in my way I am going to show you how to make Dahi chicken, which is called curd chicken as well, and not having so much of spices and masalas. So let's get started. Hope you like this new recipe. Once you try it, please make a comment just in comment section below. And if you like my work in Let's Cook and Tour, please share with your loved ones. And have a blessed day. And I hope you will try this new recipe at your home. Enjoy the food. Be safe, stay safe, and stay connected with Let's Cook and Tour. Will be coming in the next video. please share and subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.